big one, man.
December 29. Hey, Val. There you go. Making a tape.
You got it on video?
Oh. We got some spectators here. Kids are skating. It's on the hole. You gotta tie them up.
Stand back, Benny. Please.
Uh-oh. Still there.
Still there. One of my hooks, I think.
Yeah, the hook get caught in the ice, I think. No?
Still there. Something's up. There he is, right there.
There you go. Big fish. Look at big male.
Oh, nice.
Big male. You know, got a gaff. Holy moly.
Female, boys.
Female. Big female.
Stand back, though. Look at the shape of this fish.
Yeah. Big belly, huh?
Stand back, Benny. Here. Pitch for me.
I'm taping.
I know you're taping here. Just push that button right there.
What is that, a rainbow trout?
Yep. Shoot it. Got it?
Okay?
Yep.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. It's pretty nice. She's tired, you see that?
Whoa, it is a
There you
rainbow
go back to the
fish.
hole.
Is it okay?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh my
She's
gosh!
gone.
Well, at least
Great.
you
Good
gave me
job.
a nice clean on my skates.